Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. Let's quickly have a look at the real estate here in Spain, especially in Barcelona, since many of you are asking and wondering how expensive things are. Well, here I'm putting a filter upper level here on Barcelona, or here's a daisy. Let me just regain connection. As you can see here, I put a limit of 100,000 K for a unit, for a real estate unit, euros of course, and there are some concentration of real estate around that corner. I'm not really familiar why, but I do believe these real estates they need some attention, and let me open one for you. You will find that some of them are not really in a perfect condition, but they will need some renovation and then they're good to go. Generally speaking, you would be finding something decent within the range up to 100k, but generally speaking, of course, you might need to stretch yourself a little bit more if you want to get something better or in a better location or even nearby the beach. Because let's face it, if you want to rent it out, if you want just to make it as a business, then probably you would need a prime. Where am I? Here am I. You would need more of a prime location for you to be more attractive for holiday makers. Nevertheless, things are quite nice here. I absolutely love it. It's not my first visit, but this is my first business visit here, through a lens of investing and trying to snatch opportunities within the city. It's quite interesting. Yesterday I had some friends and we went to view an apartment, and it wasn't necessarily cheap. It was quite expensive, like over $500,000, and location was great, everything was great, but we didn't really feel that this place or this real estate would be a good investment. It was just a gut feeling. So going back to more reasonable price ranges, I would say that if you're looking to invest in Spain, probably look around Barcelona. Of course, I would say still, if you want to invest, probably start with a coastal city like Malaga or Valencia. But if you want to invest in a big city straight away, probably Barcelona can be quite a good option. And you can put your limits depending on your financial situation. But generally speaking, here you will find some decent options sub 100k euros. So that's translating into, I think, 1.2k or 120k US dollars. So generally here you will find some decent real estate for some good prices, but you have to be careful what you're buying and the people you're buying from, or the real estate agent, because some real estate here and some apartments here, unfortunately, due to some previous corruption, they might be illegal to buy and illegal to rent. So it's quite interesting, and also you have to bear in mind the consequences of the measures the government is employing for cracking down on Airbnb and touristic rentals. So yeah, I mean, it's a high risk, high reward, I would say, but there is a general movement in the city. You can feel the vibe that they are not really happy with over tourism here. So bear that in mind if you're just buying only for renting out or initiating a real estate business. There are some hurdles on the way, but it's never impossible. It's just a great city, and even if you don't rent it out, come on, you just live in it. It's gonna be great. So yeah, that's it. That was just a quick recap, and I will be updating you whenever new findings appear. Thank you. Bye bye.